Great 2-strip thermometer for smaller tanks. Easy to attach to tank and easy to read for safe conditions. Shop Penn-Plax for all your pet's needs. Penn-Plax is a manufacturer and distributor of top-quality pet supplies, who specialize in creating excellent pet products for animals, both great and small. Aquarium Supplies, maintenance. 2 Digital Strip Thermometer. Manufacturer of high-quality, innovative and fun pet products for animals great and small. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. Would prefer more specific degrees like other products off, but works well for what it does. Small and compact, doesn't take up much room or block much of the tank view. Would recommend several for any tank over 75 gallons.